it's Michelle from Stitch and Hustle blog, and today I'm going to be showing you the Foundation Half Double Crochet stitch. This is a wonderful stitch to start any crochet project that you want to have a little bit of stretch and give, and it's what we used to start our Flutter and Fly Shawl Along crochet shawl. Today I'm using Asylum Fibers DK yarn in the color I'm Alive, and a 4.5 millimeter hook from my cupboard. So let's begin. I will tell you that first I start with something I call the double twist, which is where you see me loop the yarn over my hook. I twist it twice, and that is all. I have found that that works better for me than a slip knot. If you prefer a slip knot, that's fine too. The first thing you're going to do is 2 chain stitches. And now we're going to really begin creating our Foundation Half Double Crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook into that first chain, yarn over and pull through. Now you have 3 loops on your hook, and if you were doing a regular half double crochet, you would yarn over and pull through all 3. However, for the Foundation Half Double Crochet, you must first create the foundation stitch. So you're going to yarn over and pull through 1, creating that foundation stitch and still keeping 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all 3, completing the half double crochet. So you now have a foundation stitch and a half double crochet. So you yarn over, insert your hook into that foundation stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1, creating your foundation, yarn over, pull through all 3, finishing your half double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook to the foundation portion of the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through all 3 to complete your half double crochet. You'll see that you now have 3 foundation half double crochet stitches. Why do I like the double twist? Because then I can do whatever I want when I need to button this up at the end. So whatever project this is going to be, I've got flexibility there. So let's try that again. Yarn over, insert it into the foundation portion of the stitch. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 1, creating your foundation stitch, and yarn over, pull through all 3, finishing your half double crochet. For me, the best way that I learned this was I separated it in my mind as foundation half double crochet. So I was always going to start off doing the half double crochet, which is a yarn over, insert it to the foundation stitch, yarn over, pull through, and now I'm yarn over, pull through for the foundation, and yarn over, pull through for the half double crochet. Now, when doing this, you'll start to see it helps if you keep your pinching moving along with that first stitch. So I always recommend getting as many of these going as you need, because you can just keep sliding up your hand that's holding your working yarn to pinch as you need to go in that foundation stitch. For this pattern, it calls for 12. So it's a little itty bitty bit amount of stitches. I've started whole sweaters this way. So you see it's just really creating a lovely, even, stretchy beginning, as opposed to with that tighter chain, then half double crochet stitch that is also commonly used. So this is the foundation half double crochet.